Namaskaram. I am a senior student of Sivayogi Shivarajan from Tirumular Siddhapeedam, Coimbatore. I live abroad and learn through regular online video sessions. Guruji is able to effectively transfer his knowledge and energy through online training. He is from Kanyakumari district of India. Both his parents are Keralites. He is a qualified international yoga teacher. He did his training at Vivekananda Kendra, Rishikesh and Sivananda Ashram. He also attended the Osho training and Vipassana yoga meditation. Guruji is an author of countless books on various topics. His works are based on his practical experience over the past 52 years. His books include Chakra Activation for Health and Happiness through Yoga, Kundalini Yoga Secrets, Siddha Treatment Guide in Alphabetic Order, Agastya Muni, The Versatile Siddha, Shivajnana Chandrika, Pratyahara and Dharana Yoga, Varma Techniques and Therapy, Shaktipat Yoga, the Cosmic Tandava Dance of Nataraja, Kriya Yoga in 18 stages, Varma Anatomy, Siddha Varma Massage Techniques, Commentary on Tirumandiram, Viragama, Tiruvarpayan, Shiva is the final energy consciousness, Handbook for Varma students, Agastya Upadesha to Valmiki, Yoga for kids, Kaumaram, Vasi Yoga Secrets, Sharanul Secrets for Yoga and Varma, Shivayogi Shivarajan is an expert in Varma Shastra and takes practical classes in Shara Yoga, Nava Avarana Shaktipat Yoga, which includes 9 Adharas and 9 Shaktis. There is Pariyanga Yoga, Amrita Dharana Yoga. Amrita Dharana Yoga, in Amrita Dharana Yoga, energy transmission happens. Energy from the gonad center, it is moved back to the brain. That is the astral portion of the semen energy is moved back to the brain. Amrita Dharana Yoga involves 3 channels. The first one being the central nervous system involving pineal gland as the head of operation. Parasympathetic system with the hypothalamus as the head. Chemical energy with the pituitary gland being the head of operation. In Chandra Yoga, Agni Kalas merges with 12 Surya Kalas. The 12 Surya Kalas merge with 16 Chandra Kala. Then a new Kala called Amakala is born. Amakala later develops into Nirvana Kala. From Nirvana Kala, Bindu is born. From Bindu, Nada develops. In the second level of Chandra Yoga, there are 16 forms of Narayana energy which merges with 16 Chandra Kalas. In the third level, coming to the third level of Chandra Yoga, 16 Parashakti energy forms merge with the 16 Chandra Kalas. In Shashimangala Yoga, Angaraka energy merges with 16 Chandra Kalas. In Gajagesari Yoga, the Jupiter energy merges with 16 Chandra Kalas. In Dashamahavidya Yoga, 10 forms of Dashamaha, the 10 forms, they are the Dashamahavidyas. They are installed to the Adharas. In Kayakalpa Yoga, the endocrine glands are activated and the age of the yogi for the endocrine glands, that is reversed to 24 years. Guruji does chakra healing and Varma energy manipulation as well. Coming to the next level of Shaktipat Yoga, which is the third level, the Yogini Mother energies, those are installed to the Adharas. Coming to Vasi Yogas, Guruji teaches 5 forms of Vasi Yoga. The first one being the Kaga Pujandar Vasi Yoga. The second one is Konganar Siddhar Vasi Padihe Yoga. The third one is 18 Siddhas Vasi Yoga. The fourth one is Advanced Konganar Vasi Yoga. And the fifth one is the Mula Kundalini Ulvasi Yoga. Shivayogi Shivarajan, through his practical sessions, ensures that all chakras, dashavayus and 96 nadi channels of his students are activated and open for smooth energy flow. He instructs regarding the safe ascent of